And welcome to my channel Trading Skills. So I'm back again with a new video. So in today's session I'm going to take few trades as per the market movement by analyzing the market in an efficient manner. So right now if you analyze this market here, you can easily see and say one thing very easily to yourself, that market is right now moving in this range. Market is moving in this range and this is the ranging market, okay, because market is not creating here lower lows. So it means that the situation, the number one thing is clear to you, that market is going down. So after that, what you need to do here, okay, so I can easily go here in an up direction. So why I took this trade here? So although if you are seeing here that market is trying to move down, because this is a very strong candlestick after this move and the next level is here, then what you are missing here, you are missing here that it is in the order block area, it is in this fair value gap zone, which shows you each and everything, and this is your probability that how market will move against your prediction, because you are seeing only one thing and you are missing 2 to 3 points which are very important. You need to analyze each and everything while you take your trade, because on the left side you are having the complete data. You are having here an order block, you are having here a fair value gap, you are having here a move which is making highs of the market, higher highs, okay. So you are having so many reasons, and right now let me show you what you all see only. You are also having this support here, you are also having this hammer here. So right now you can see in this one area you are having 5 to 6 confirmations. I will explain each and everything and I will try my level best to be with you all from now on like I was before, and I will try to upload my course on regular basis, and we will be in this journey throughout this 2025 and we will get the best results for sure. So you can see here how I took my trade here. You need to analyze the market like this. We cannot take a single candle, we cannot take a single level, we need to see the left side. The left side is very much important. This area is very much important. It is giving you one confirmation, it is giving you support confirmation, it is giving you an order block confirmation, it is giving you a hammer confirmation, it is giving you a fair value gap confirmation. So you need to take your trades like this. So if you like my video, kindly share, subscribe and comment and watch it again and again, and you will definitely improve your trading skills for sure. So I was very busy, I wasn't able to make any kind of videos, but from now on you will definitely get the best videos from trading skills. So in each and every video I will try to explain one trade in my one video, and that will definitely help you all to improve your trading skills by the passage of time. So if you like my video, kindly share, subscribe, comment. Stay blessed you all, and if you have any queries, I'm going to share my link. You can contact me there. Thank you. Bye.